8 years ago, a group of visionaries had a novel idea. They wanted to build a different sound. A sound so unique it would go the world over. A sound so powerful it would stay with you forever. A sound by the name of Buleria. For 8 years you sang. For 8 years you danced. For 8 years you cried. And for 8 years you smiled. For 8 years they were part of your everyday life. This Blue 8 we celebrate with you. We celebrate 8 glorious years of beautiful memories, meaningful connections, and unforgettable vibes. Blue 8 on Friday, July 8th at the Renaissance Convention Center. Buleria, No Game, RO1, DJ Vibes, Nuts Beats.
Tickets available on pay.away. For VIP reservations, call 297-731-1111.